In this video, I'm going to quickly take a look at this DMX cable by Czgor. I appreciate that this comes in a pack of 8 as it allows you to chain together quite a few lights. In my example, I'm using 4 LED Chauvet lights, and this is controlled by a Chauvet DMX box. These DMX cables make it very easy to chain together your lights, and make it very easy also to connect to your DMX box. In truth, the only thing that matters with DMX cables is that they work without interference. You can see here through my DMX box that all of the lights are changing on cue exactly how they are supposed to. So this just tells me these do work and they chain together very well without any latency. Overall, these wires work very well to chain your LED lights together, and you can see there's no latency, there's no interference. It does exactly what it's supposed to. And the simple fact that you get 8 at the price makes this a good value. These are just good DMX cables.